Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Your carrier voicemail is active and your SIM is working. Next, open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab, or dial *86 or press and hold 1. This starts the setup sequence. You'll be prompted to create a PIN and record a greeting. Do that now so callers hear your name. Once done, make sure visual voicemail is enabled in settings. It gives you message previews and speeds access without calling each time. Now you'll secure and customize voicemail. You should choose a strong 4 to 6-digit PIN and confirm it. This prevents unauthorized access. Then record a concise greeting explaining who you are and what callers should expect, or select the default greeting for speed. Next, enable visual voicemail in the phone app's voicemail settings and grant permissions for contacts and storage so message transcription and playback work properly. Make sure notifications are allowed so you don't miss new messages. To finish, access messages from the voicemail tab or call your carrier's voicemail number and enter your PIN to listen. You can delete, save, or share messages. Use the transcript or export option to keep important audio. If messages aren't appearing, restart your phone and check mobile data or Wi-Fi. Visual voicemail relies on data. If problems persist, confirm voicemail service with your carrier and reset voicemail settings. That usually resolves provisioning or network issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.